Cartagena, Colombia.
Got some big waves out there this morning. We shouldn't be too far from Colombia. Been pretty rocky all night. But this is the view from our window. It's about 7 o'clock in the morning. And we're supposed to be in Cartagena by 10 o'clock or so.
The captain contacted us in the early morning at breakfast to let us know that someone needed to go into Cartagena, even though we all were not allowed to go in because they didn't want us there because of the COVID. And we would be waiting for that person to come back. So we spent about 3 hours floating around, and then the person came back, and we got on our way again.
They're opening up the roof to the pool below. I guess they're not going to open it all the way, just a little bit.
Please take a second to comment, subscribe, ring the bell to get notices of new videos, and please give a thumbs up.